Did you know that incorporating dried fruits into your diet can significantly boost your digestive health? Let's find out how. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of dried fruits and how they can revitalize your digestive system. You might be surprised at how powerful these small snacks can be when it comes to your gut health. Many individuals face challenges related to digestion, including symptoms like bloating, constipation, and irregular bowel movements. Such conditions can significantly compromise quality of life, causing feelings of lethargy and discomfort. For those living with these issues, the search for effective solutions is constant and understandably urgent. After all, no one enjoys the feeling of bloating or the frequent need to visit the bathroom. In this context, a promising and delicious solution emerges: dried fruits. Besides being practical and tasty snack options, dried fruits hide beneficial properties for the digestive system in their composition. Rich in fiber, they help regulate intestinal transit, promoting more regular movements and combating constipation. Moreover, some dried fruits contain sorbitol, a natural sugar that acts as a mild laxative, relieving symptoms of bloating and discomfort. Incorporating dried fruits into the diet can be a simple but effective step for those looking to improve digestive health and, consequently, quality of life. Diving deeper into the world of dried fruits, we discover true nutritional treasures that can transform our digestive health. Let's start by exploring the world of dried plums. Besides being a powerful ally against constipation, due to their high fiber content, dried plums are also a rich source of antioxidants, helping to combat free radical damage in the body. Incorporating plums into the diet is not just a step towards a more efficient digestive system, but also an investment in your long-term health. Moving on, we find dried figs, which are more than just a natural sweet treat. They are a powerhouse of nutrients, including soluble and insoluble fibers, which play a crucial role in maintaining intestinal health. Additionally, figs are rich in calcium, contributing to bone health. They are a perfect example of how a snack can be both delicious and beneficial for health. Dried apricots enter the scene not just as a burst of flavor, but also as a booster of digestive health. They are an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining visual health and skin. The potassium and magnesium present in dried apricots are key minerals for electrolyte balance and cardiovascular health. Moreover, their iron content helps combat anemia, making apricots a nutritious and versatile choice. But we don't stop here. Dried dates deserve a special mention. Rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals, dates are an excellent natural substitute for sugar in recipes, besides being known for their energy-boosting properties. They can help regulate cholesterol and blood pressure thanks to their impressive nutritional profile. Each of these dried fruits offers a unique combination of health benefits, standing out as true allies of digestive well-being and overall health. By incorporating them into the diet, we not only enjoy their rich flavors and pleasant textures, but also take a significant step towards a healthier life. They prove that small choices can have big impacts on our health. Get ready for a culinary journey that will transform the way you think about healthy snacks. We are about to unveil the secret to an incredibly nutritious and delicious recipe that promises not just to delight your palate, but also offer substantial benefits to your digestive health. Imagine creating, in the comfortable atmosphere of your kitchen, an energy bar filled with dried fruits and nuts, a true treasure trove of nutrients and flavors. To start, you'll need a varied selection of dried fruits. Think of a vibrant combination of plums, figs, apricots, and why not add an exotic touch with dried mangoes and cranberries? These fruits are not just a treat for the eyes with their vivid colors, but are also rich in fibers, essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Now, let's add to the mix a cup of your favorite nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and even pumpkin seeds can join this flavor dance. Nuts are an incredible source of healthy fats, proteins, and fibers, contributing to a feeling of fullness and providing lasting energy. To give a special touch and bind all these ingredients together, consider incorporating oat flakes, which are an excellent ally for digestive health, and a bit of honey to naturally sweeten your creation. If desired, try adding spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, which can enhance the flavors and bring their own health benefits. Mix all these ingredients until well combined. Then transfer the mixture to a mold, pressing it firmly so the bars maintain their shape. Let it cool in the refrigerator until firm. The result? Homemade energy bars, irresistibly tasty and packed with nutrients, ready to be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. These bars are not just a convenient and healthy snack option, they are a statement that taking care of your health can be delicious and rewarding. Perfect for a midday snack, before a workout, or even as a healthy dessert after meals, they are the perfect combination of convenience and nutrition. Try it, adjust the ingredients to your taste, and discover the joy of nourishing your body with the best of nature. Including dried fruits in your diet is an effective and delicious strategy to boost digestive health and well-being. Rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals, they are versatile and can be added to various dishes, from morning cereals to salads and desserts. Besides promoting healthy digestion, they contribute to better body hydration and strengthening of the immune system. Trying dried fruits is opening the door to a healthier, more energetic life. It's worth including them in your daily diet. If you enjoyed the content and want to keep receiving amazing health tips, click like and subscribe to our channel. Moreover, we'd love to know what your favorite dried fruit is. Share with us in the comments, and let's exchange ideas on creative ways to include dried fruits in daily eating. Your participation is very important to us, as together we can explore a universe of healthy possibilities. I'm immensely grateful for you being here and hope to meet you in our next video. Until then,